This is a tip for writers. Writing can be quite a lonely process. So you might want to block out some time with a friend. Could be on Google Docs, or maybe if you meet face to face, you can just grab a coffee, sit together, and just block out 2 to 3 hours just writing. Writing is all about rewriting, but sometimes you're not quite sure where your story is taking you. So having a writing buddy could be quite a good thing, especially if they too have a story to tell and they're not sure how to convey that personality of their story. So, what you could do is start focusing on the final outcome of the story and building on the conflicts and enriching your character descriptions by focusing on the texture of your character's personality and also their accents, what they like, how they dress, if they smoke or not. Be specific. Be specific about their accents, their intonation, where they come from, um, their generation, and also maybe if, like I said, they have a particular interest, be specific about what kind of interest. Don't be shy to come up with brands, to come up with names, because you need to get that character jump out of the screen in a sense so that people can feel closer to the character. And by working together with somebody, you can really exchange ideas and really ask each other, what motivates my character? If there are any misunderstandings or confusions, sharing your screenplay will help reduce that, because it needs to be read, it needs to be understood by a wide range of people. And for those who are not writing their screenplay, but they're asking somebody to do that for them, it could be really a great exercise to do that within a community of writers. So why don't you start now writing a short synopsis for your film and try to see what lies at the heart of your story?